the obsession of a handful of humans to live on planet Mars is still ongoing. In fact, several researchers are starting to focus on conducting studies on the red planet. Quoting LiveScience.com, at least 22 people are needed to become the first Mars colony based on recent studies, but not all experts agree. Some experts argue that more people are needed to create a lasting human presence on the red planet. In this research, the researchers used the agent-based modeling computer simulation modeling program. This was done to predict how many people would survive on planet Mars. ABM simulates how well groups react to challenging scenarios based on their personality types. The model looks at 4 personality types. First, friendly, which is not too competitive or aggressive. Second is social, who is extroverted and successful in social environments. Third, reactive, who have difficulty dealing with changes in routine. Fourth, neurotic, who is very competitive and aggressive. The model then varies the amount of each type when performing key tasks such as mining and farming on Mars. According to the study, limiting the size of the first colony on Mars will be very important, because the more people and equipment needed, the more expensive it will be. However, this research has major limitations. For example, the model assumes that other people have built the colony's infrastructure, such as buildings, vehicles, and other equipment. The first colonists, too, are assumed to be powered for 7 years from miniature nuclear reactors, such as those used to power Mars rover vehicles, and receive regular supplies from Earth. The model also only simulates the first 28 years of the colony. The model is considered successful as long as at least 10 people survive to the end of the mission. As a result, not everyone is convinced that colonies with so few people will ever become a reality, especially if the ultimate goal is to create a self-sustaining civilization on the red planet. 22 people is not enough to build and maintain a fully functional and autonomous colony on Mars, Jean-Marc Salati, an astronautics researcher at the IMS laboratory in Bordeaux, France, told Live Science. Salati's previous research found a minimum of 110 people. Only 22 people can survive on this planet for a limited period of time, mainly as long as they have the necessary infrastructure, energy, and resources, but they will not thrive. While the new study's idea of taking personality type into account is a smart move, it also has limitations, Salati said.